What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. In this video, I want to give you guys a strategy that is easy to understand because it is brought to my attention that a lot of my videos are hard to understand because I tend to go off script and I tend to go in a million different directions. This video is going to be extremely short and it's going to be outlining a particular entry strategy that you can find each and every single day. And if it does present itself, give you an area of opportunity to make money. It's going to require you to look at the 1 hour candlesticks as well as the previous day high and low price. For the sake of saving time on this video, I've already marked out the previous day high, which is here, and the previous day low, which is down here. All we are looking for is to see a 1 hour candlestick break the previous day high or the previous day low. And when that candle does break the previous day high or previous day low, we are going to take that new high price, which is here, and I have also done the favor of saving time by marking out the zone here with this green box. Now, we would essentially be waiting to get triggered into this trade. We would get triggered into this trade today on the 10th of January when the 9 a.m. candle starts to confirm the overnight session highs. This is where you would enter the trade when we break the high price from overnight session highs. I have also drawn out a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss would be our entry candle's low. This particular entry candle has a range total of around 45 points. However many contracts you are looking to trade is going to depend on what your level of risk tolerance is. If you're trading on a prop firm, I would definitely recommend to analyze your drawdown limits with that prop firm and adjust your position sizing accordingly. As one micro contract with a stop loss of around 40 to 45 points is going to total a total loss of around $80 to $90 on one micro contract. If you are okay losing $80 to $90 per trade, stick with one contract. If you are okay losing $160 to $180 per trade, play two micro contracts on trade setups that present themselves with the risk of around 40 to 50 points. In this particular case study, where this 1 hour candle confirms the overnight session highs, using the 1 hour candle that we enter into the trade on as our stop at the lows, we are looking to target a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So we are looking to take profits into the price of 16,946. This trade also hits a 2R on the potential setup, hitting prices of around 16,985. Potentially, you could have taken out close to 80 to 90 points out of the market. That's points, not ticks. Points taken out of the market would have been at least 40 points. I recommend traders trade two contracts to start. So essentially, within a couple of hours, you could have made close to $200. Mind you, the more you increase the number of contracts traded, the bigger the risk. However, the bigger the reward. My traders at Evolution Traders are taught to start with 1 to 2 contracts until they feel comfortable and slowly start to scale into a total number of contracts being 5. If 5 micro contracts were traded on this particular trade, you would have made over $300 on this potential move. I hope this video makes sense, and I hope this strategy can help you. If you guys would like to trade with me each and every single day live, that link is down in the description box below. I hope this video was at a slow enough pace and directly to the point to help you make money a lot faster. Thank you for watching.